So it's Wednesday, 3rd of July in the USA. Tomorrow's the 4th of July, which is Treason Day, you treasonous dogs. Anyway, here I am at Fort Monroe going for a cup of coffee in an old firehouse that was opened in 1881. So America does have some history, just not a lot of history. The Fort Monroe is where they imprisoned the leader of the Confederate government after the end of the Civil War. It was a artillery training base for the First and Second World War, and it was deactivated in 2012. So there's a fair amount of history here. It was used as a prison during the Civil War. Here I am going through the fortifications tunnel and revving up my engine. Room just for one car. These have traffic lights at each end and only go one direction at a time. Not many people live here, so it doesn't take long for the traffic lights to change. There's never much traffic, even on a weekend, even before the 4th of July. And I saw this little area and I thought, let's put the bike at this opening and do some photos. I wanted to drive it in, but this is a really old place and I wasn't sure whether the floor could handle the 850 pounds of my motorcycle, so I didn't drive in. So I just put it outside and started taking pictures with my phone. Lesson learned, don't try and take photographs wearing my gloves. It doesn't work, although it did work a little bit. Well, this is inside. See? Outside with my phone, taking a picture. The results of these pictures are posted right here. See that? Very, very pretty. Time to leave the photo opportunity area. I'm going to ride around the rest of the internal area of Fort Monroe. This is the oldest part of the fortress. This is the part that was used during the Civil War. After the Civil War, they built up the exterior area for artillery practice. And here is a gun that was made during the Civil War, and they called it the Lincoln gun. It was the largest cannon of its type ever made at the time. Of course, there's much bigger guns were made after this. So here I am practicing my narcissism, taking photographs and video of myself. I wonder if I should worry about my state of sanity if I'm just always photographing and videoing myself. Or is this the world we've come to inherit? The world of Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and whatever else. Well, I hope you've noticed all through my videos that I always fly the Union flag on the back of my motorcycle. I actually have two, one above the other. And the snug thing I have around my neck is also the Union flag. If I'm not wearing the Union flag, I have an England flag that I wear around my neck. Just to make sure that these treasonous dogs, Americans, these damn colonials, understand that although we're no longer part of the British Empire here, it will always be England. Oh, and just riding around the internal part of the Fort Monroe again and heading to the exit tunnel. And I'm going to make lots of noise as I go through this exit tunnel. Behind me right now is the Fort Monroe Museum, which explains its use. I haven't been there for a couple of years. I'll have to have a look soon. All my dear friends, once more into the breach, and fill up the gap with our English dead, or a little bit of Shakespeare there. Always good for the soul.